Are you with me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Okay, now let's go. So we have center to out. Then I have this for example. Then let me say I have um we can come back by 112.5 because that would be a cantilever slab. I want that to be a cantilever slab just like that. So let me have something like this. So you see, you have the cantilever side at the top side, and the
Yes.
rest no cantilever slab, and this is a suspended floor. So now you have this reinforcement here. So I copy all this. Please, if I'm too fast, let me know. Are you with me?
I'm with you, sir. I'm with you.
Okay. So I copy this, and then you know how to do your drafting, right? So you have something like this. I copy it to this side.
In the
Then
middle. Okay.
so you see where I drop it? You see where I drop it?
Yes,
You see
yes.
where I drop it? Okay. So now I want to teach you just you see I drop
You
it
come
here.
back to this place.
Can you see where I
Yes.
drop it here? So
Yes.
I'll trim this out. Trim this out. Can you see?
Yes.
So start from here to
Yes.
this place. So this one I can as well
Remove
just
the
shift it up.
uncertainty. Yes.
Do you understand? So I have from here to
Yeah.
here. Do you understand now? So here you can
Yes.
just trim this
And
off.
now trim.
So you have
Trim
something
it.
like this.
Yes.
So and
Yes.
mind you, in a slab like this, this is four corner now. In a slab,
Yes.
you are supposed to have four reinforcements.
Okay.
So this is one. You see, this
Yes.
is one now. So let's do the second one. So the second one now, you come this way, you carry this, you carry this from here. So you carry this now. Okay, and this is working. So I want to drop it there, but this is not
But
polite. You can't have
yes.
something like this. Just I trim it, I erase that. So then you have something here. Let me just drag it up for you. So you see, we have this. We have trim this out. Bring this in this place. Trim this out also. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So that means this reinforcement is spanning. They are going to arrange it from here, from this center to this center.
This center.
Do you
Yes.
understand? They are going to arrange it from this
Yes.
beam to this beam. You get so that's the
Okay.
definition of this. Definition of this. You understand? So now I want to call it out so that they can know the number of how many pieces of reinforcement is going to be there. Maybe Y12, Y16, either of any of the diameter reinforcement.
Okay. So calling it out will now be okay. I've
So
seen it.
do you see the way I trim it now? Let
Yes.
me control Z. So I have this. Okay, let me take this back.
Yes.
I take it like just copy CO space bar, then I just drag it out like this, put it here, then CR space bar, trim this out. You see? You get this now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now you come back here again to pick this so that you can know that you are talking about a horizontal reinforcement. So then you put it here. You get it
Okay.
now? You see, just for these two, do you have any question?
Mm.
Check it very well. Just for these two.
Come here. Um. Yes, I've gotten these ones.
Okay. You know what? This
Horizontal
reinforcement
reinforcement.
for the sake of
Yes.
tutorial, because anybody can find this useful. This callback, according to textbook and theory and all of that, you know. So you are
Yes.
supposed to check your dimension here from because it's coming through this side. So you are supposed to check your dimension
Yes.
from this center. Okay, let me check again. Dimension from this center to this place. We have 3728. Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then you now come to your calculator here. 0.3 multiplied by 3728. You see,
For the callback.
yeah, for the callback. Because you just have to know. Ignorance is not a bliss, you just have to know. So we have 11118, right? So if you want to check now, you now
Yes.
come to this center, copy. Then I'm teaching you about in case of theory because anybody want to prove you wrong that is this right or not? You understand? So
Yes.
you pick it from the center here, you know, just come like this, then 1118, right? Just enter.
Yes.
Then my callback, this green tick
So
line is supposed to be
yes, it will one stop here. Okay.
exactly. Do you get it now?
Yes.
So that's how you calculate it by 0.3 multiplied by the length that is facing, that is going
Dimension.
through. You
Yes.
understand?
The length.
All right. So these two now, just tell me what does you understand here now?
I understand it already. Hey, this place is because it is continuous. That's why there's no callback.
Exactly, because there's a cantilever slab here, there's a slab here. Here, there's no slab.
Yes. Yes.
Do you get
Yes.
it now?
Yes, sir.
So now let me just go straight to the point. So and then your cantilever, this is how you're going to do it because I know you might find that difficult in the video you watched. So the cantilever now. So I bring this up. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
I copy this out, then rotate, then your F8 to be straight. Then use here. I put it here. And your reinforcement is the top reinforcement. Do you understand?
For
Your reinforcement is a top reinforcement. Your cantilever slab,
for
sorry.
cantilever.
Yeah, is a top reinforcement. See, look at how I'll do it now. So by now you have something like this. Here, you have to drag. This has to be longer than the callback. You have something like this. This is it. And then you change it. Your match property MA spacebar. Rather than then you can check your icons, but for the sake of our time, MA.
Yes, I know where match property is.
Yeah, so you click on this. This is going to be a top reinforcement. The tick line is going to change to a top
Okay.
reinforcement, and the callback is going to be a bottom reinforcement. So the callback, you come here, click on it, then you have this.
For cantilever.
Yes, for cantilever slab, it has to be a top reinforcement. Here now, this is not a cantilever slab, this is a solid slab. We have these two main
Yes.
reinforcements with the tick. But for cantilever slab, it has to be inverse.
So for cantilever slab, the main reinforcement is the
Top
is
reinforcement.
the bottom bar.
For cantilever,
Yes,
no,
you
no, no,
said
no, no.
that.
Calm down, you're getting it wrong. I've not finished with the cantilever. I'm just telling you that for the cantilever slab, this is how it's going to be. You understand? There is still another reinforcement I'm going to introduce.
Okay.
So here now, you click on this, you bring it here. It's not going to call back. You
The mid.
understand? Because it's a distribution bar. You see where I
Yeah.
trim it is a distribution bar. It's not going to call back. Then MA space bar. Then click on the top reinforcement. Then bring it here. Do you see it now?
So it's not calling back.
Now it's not calling back because it is a cantilever slab. This reinforcement that you are seeing is a distribution bar, and,
Distribution bar.
and this is a main reinforcement. The top bar. This is a main reinforcement. Do you understand? So now that
Yeah.
we have these two now. Do you have any question for cantilever slab? You can write it down
Why why is it spamming inside the slab?
because it's unsupported slab because you don't support it at the under, so you have to bring it inside. You have to drag it
Okay.
inside. So when you go to site, you have more experience about that because it has to come inside. So because of the deflection and all of that, it has a point load. There might be a wall load there and all of that. So you have to, treat about that. That's going to give you about the design results so that you can know. But right here, we only have, you can write it down, for cantilever slab, we have two reinforcements. We have the main reinforcement, which is top bar, the distribution bar, which is also a top bar. Do you get it now?
Yes, also top bar. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now let's go.
I've written it before.
All right, all right. So now let's go. So next thing now, I want to call out the cantilever reinforcement. I'll bring this up, then copy selection. Now we are 9 minutes already. So I'll bring it up, then let me see, I have this. Then from here, can you see? You drop it here. I find where this stop, you drop it here. Then you trim this out.
Hey,
Do you see?
no,
No,
I
wait.
don't understand.
Calm down. This reinforcement. This reinforcement that I'm highlighting now.
Yes,
Can you see? We
yes.
are going to arrange it from.
Distribution bar.
Yeah. We are going to distribution bar. Thank you. We are going to arrange this distribution bar from the cantilever slab in enter the normal slab.
The slab. Okay,
That is why I have to bring the calling out what's it called properties inside to this place.
okay.
And for his own theory calculation, you can see from here we have 1 2 to this place. This is 1088. Then the same thing happen. Then 0.3 multiplied by 1088. Then what do we have? We have no, sorry, it has to be times 2. Maybe you should write this down. It has to be times 2 of what we have. We have 1088, right? So
Times two.
1088 then multiplied by 2. We have 2176. So from here we are supposed to have 2176. So this is my reinforcement supposed to we are supposed to arrange it to this place.
Okay,
Do you get it now?
yes,
You are supposed to arrange it to this place according to the design and theory. Do you get it now? But for the sake of
yes.
drawing and all of that, this has to go. So this is what we have about the distribution bar. Now let's do the main reinforcement, which is the top bar. You copy this, then you bring this up. Let's do it here. Bring it up here. Then this one you just bring it up to this place, the end, extend, extend it to this place. And we have this. You copy this for the call out. You understand? If I'm too fast, please call me back.
Then you put yes.
So then you put this one. Thank you for being with me. Yeah. So we have this. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
You are getting it
So
small,
meaning
small,
that
Abby.
yes,
Okay.
for the cantilever slab,
Okay.
the vertical one that is going to be that we are going to be putting that one that we use for the horizontal reinforcement.
It depends on the drawing. You understand? It depends on drawing. We design across the LX direction. When you do design,
Yes,
then you will know. And what's it called? It depends. For example, now you can't put because you have to drag the slab back for any form of you see the way we do this now. It's in a safe side rather than having it in this horizontal line. Do you get it now? Because this
yes,
vertical side that we have it is the shortest span. And this shortest span now, they are going to arrange it from here, arrange it like this throughout the slab.
yes,
You get it now. So it is stronger in that way than this way. You get it?
yes,
Okay, because I want to make sure this thing is quick because it's going to consume more data and all of that. So now you get the slab now. So let's do continuous edge. So now you have your continuous edge at this place. It's also a top bar, but the normal
so
the normal engineering English, it is a continuous edge. You see,
continuous edge.
a continuous edge because you are supposed to have the slab that goes from here and this place. You are supposed to connect the two together.
Yes.
You understand? So now let me call it out for you to see. So we have this. You bring it here. You have to be very, very
Yes.
skillful with your drawing and very fast. You understand? So we have this now. You see?
Why is it going down?
Because I want to span it through. It will serve this lab. It will serve this lab, this lab, this lab, and this lab.
Eh,
Yeah, it will serve this lab, this lab. So I'm doing one job right now. Let me show you. Okay, school block revised. Let me show you. You see? I want you to look at the layout first. You know, I told you you have to be flexible. Look at the layout, you see.
Yes.
Look at the way the layout is.
Yeah.
You
Jesus
see.
Christ.
So now this layout now, I have to detail this drawing this morning. So these are the details. Can you see? You see it's different from what I'm showing you.
Yes.
You can see it's different, but it's the same principle. You understand? And your output is very, very important. So you can see here. So the way, so I'm asking you about the number then because I was like maybe I should give you this job and you just write the numbers.
Okay.
But you know, no lies. I've finished writing this roof area number. You see, you have to detail everything, all the slabs that is on the roof and all of that. You see this. So it's just the same thing. I just want to show you that okay, it is not that simple. Okay, let me show you this that you're asking.
Yes.
Look at this top bar now, for example. You know, our own is green, right? This one is white. You
Mm.
see? So this top bar now is span from here. Look at the line from here. You see,
Down.
come down. You can see the line. So stop here. You see?
Mm.
So if I'm to calculate the numbers now, I'm going to calculate it from this center here, and I'll check it from here, then divided by any spacing of reinforcement that I want to use. Do you understand?
Okay.
So
Yes.
look at this top reinforcement now. You start from here, you see, start from here, goes through all the way, stop here. So you have to be very you have to be very, very clear with what's it called? With lines.
Yes.
You can see many, many lines. So you have to be very, very careful and very, very concentrative every time that you're working. You understand? So now let's go back to Mr. Kola because we are still
Is
doing
this an
the,
hostel?
what do you say?
Like the building, is it an hostel?
No, it's not an hostel actually, but I don't have the architect drawing with me. But I can't say. I can't say.
Okay.
I can't say what I don't know. You understand? So I don't know yet. I don't know yet. But it's just like joinman work and all of that. Just help me to do the slab and the beam, and I'll pay you all those stuffs. So, the slab details. I just call everything out this morning, but I'm just writing the numbers one by one by one. You see? I have to write the numbers also. So Mr. Kola that we have now. So this slab start from here,
Mhm.
you see, to this place. Then you copy this to this place. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, come on.
So what next? Do you get it now?
So if you want to like level it will now be the whole length, abi.
Label.
The
Okay.
will
If you
be
want to write the
everything
number of this,
divided
right?
by. Yes.
And it should not be like this
Yes,
now.
number of investments.
Yeah. You click on your dimension. It should not be from here. From this center, you drag it down to this
Oh,
center.
it's not from the cantilever.
No, no, not from the cantilever because the line stop
Yeah, that will
here.
now be 7
Yeah, so seven something and divided by maybe 200 or two.
divided by 200
Yeah, anyone, that's
plus
to be
1.
specified. Yeah. So now you have that. So after that, then next is that let's do the unders ones. So let me just do skillful. You bring this out, you know, then just rotate it up. Let's say we have something like this for example. Put this here. It has to be above. It has to near the outside. Do you get it? The
Yes.
outside line, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yours bring it here. Then what do we have again? So because of my lines, I'll have to do one small ojoro here. So here now, this is what I will do. I'll bring this down. Okay.
Copy, abi.
Yeah, I'll bring this down. I'll bring this down. So now I'm trying to tell you that I want to span this reinforcement all through this lab. You see it now? This reinforcement now,
Yes.
all through this lab.
So it will work for both up and down.
Exactly, because they are of the same shape and they are of the same line. Do you get it now? So
Yes.
this callback now,
Yes,
this is
sir.
what I will now do. I will now, I will now do this. I'll copy this now, then I'll come here, bring this down. Let me just copy this straight line, and I'll put it here. You see, if I put it here, I'll trim this out. Then I have to bring this up. Sorry. Then we have this. So now this is what we have. Do you get it now?
Yes.
So now, can you will you be able to do something like this for me if you have the chance?
Yes. So this
Even
one
more than
is
this,
coming
you
now.
can complete the rest of
So
the two, right?
meaning that for this first one,
Mm,
if you want to write the, I don't want to call it labeling. What am I supposed to call it?
the
The number
numbers.
of reinforcement.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. So it will be spanning down, like the whole,
Exactly. Yeah,
just like we
you have to
calculated
follow.
earlier.
You have to follow the call outs.
Okay.
Okay, now let me just give you one sample. Let me give you one example. You see this now. You click on the first line. You see. Okay, let me take this from here. This 23. Copy it from here. Copy it from here. Then put it here. So you have to check the 23 is bigger than the line that we have. You draw another line here and you bring it up. Do you see something? So now
Yes.
this is what we have now. So everything is rhyme now and cool. And okay, let me just adjust because your output is very, very important in drawing. How neat your drawing is, how well arranged your drawing is. Do you understand? So look at the call out now. Look at how everything has to stretch up and
Yes.
arrange. So you have to use your eyes to check is it okay, is it rhyme and all of that. So now for the first line, you click on the first line, click on the first line outside. You check the first line through, go down. You understand? So you start from here. You see, you keep finding the
And we go
ending.
down.
You see, this is
Yes.
the ending. So that means we start from here. So that means you use this center line, right? And to the end of this
Yes.
center line. Then you click here,
Yes.
then you do something like this for me. To this place, we have 7548. Let's say 7548 divided by 250, for example.
Okay, I need 250.
Yeah, we have
Plus one.
30.1. So what are we going to
Plus
have our
one.
final answer? What do you say?
31.
31.
That would be 31.
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's 31, 01, 250, right?
Yeah, that's 250. Yes.
So what will be bottom or top?
I want to check. I did not see the this thing.
Okay, yeah,
I
see.
want to check the drawing. Yes.
Yeah, see.
That's the bottom, baby.
Yeah, that's the bottom. Yeah, because you're punching on the white.
Yes.
That's the bottom. So now let me now take you to my own work that I'm doing because I'm supposed to start because I just have to rest for some time because you can
Yes.
see
Yes.
all the
Okay, let's
call
do
out.
this one together then.
Okay, now so let's do this. Let's do the second floor and the third floor. Okay, now so let's for the first one.
Start with it.
For the first one, you see you click on the first line. So start from here. It
Yes.
might be very difficult because it is not color differentiate because everything is white.
Yeah.
Everything is white, so you have to be very, very careful.
Yeah.
So I click on the
Click
first
on
one.
it.
You start from here, right? Come
Yes.
down, so it ends here.
So it's panda. Okay, center. Yes.
You have to, if you click on
So
one,
use the dimension.
yeah, if you click on one, you have to face that one very, very well. You understand?
Very well.
Yeah, you click on one, you see
Yes.
the end. You see the end of the line, blue.
Yes.
So now I will just go to my dimension. I can click from the end. Don't worry, I'll click from the end. Go to hop. You understand? See the same thing. I have five
Yes.
six two 4.7.
247. Okay.
That means I have 5625, right?
Yes.
You get it now? 5625. So and according to the provision he gave me, so he said all
What's the spacing?
so okay, let me forward it to you on WhatsApp so that we can be on the same page. I just hope the data doesn't
Thank
finish. But don't worry, I'll use that for you.
thank you very much, sir.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, I want to forward it to you on WhatsApp so that we can be on the same
Okay,
page.
sir.
Alright, we have this. Okay, I'll send it to you. Are you there?
Okay, sir. Yeah, I want to check it. Okay.
So we have it said please
So,
note. You see? So number one, it said ground floor slab should be details as suspended. So what does that mean? It means the foundation is pi foundation.
pie.
Yeah, it's pi foundation, yes. So now it said all floor slab main bars is 200 mm, right?
Yes, that's.
So Ina
Is
said
that,
why
does that mean the placement?
continuous edge is 250.
Continuous edge. Okay.
You see now. So Ina said ground floor beams, first floor and typical second, third at 600 depth, roof beam at 350, beam provision to follow soon. Do you see it now? So now I told you earlier, I said these are the main what's it called? These are the normal, reinforcements, and these are the continuous edge. You know,
Yes.
so now, so this one that I'm doing now,
Okay.
this one
Now
will
I
be
get.
200, and this one will be 250.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Continuous.
I want you to
Continuous is
understand before
250.
any movement.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now this one now, what do we have? We have 2 1. Oh, sorry.
Let's come back to the class.
Our answer is
What?
5 something, right? 5625. So
Come
5625 divided by what? Are you with
on.
me?
Are we? Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Calm down. Come back.
Okay.
Come back. We want to do this first.
This one is just is the main.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not the continuous edge,
That's
but
200.
that's 200. Thank you. So you see where it's pointing to. There's no green here and there's no red. You understand?
Yes.
So now,
Is it 5625 or 27?
no, no, it's 2625. The dimension.
Okay, 2625.
Then divided by
Divided
2.
by 200.
So we have 28.1, right?
No, I'm not going to add one.
We are going to, I'm just telling you that what we have is 28, then plus 1, 29.
Okay, that's 29. 29.
Thank you. So now we have this as 29, and then Y12 is 01, then 200,
200.
then bottom. You can see that, I told you earlier, all you have to know is the basis. Everybody has their own style.
Yes.
Look at this person's style now. He has his own text as red.
Yes.
The one I sent to you has his own text as white, has his own center
Yes.
line here as red, has this one
Yes.
as green, has this one as, so this person has everything as white. You see, all you have to know is that you just have to know the basis.
Yes.
Are you with me? Okay.
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Oh yeah, let's go for the second line. You click on the second line, you come down to the second line, the end. You can see is a notation
It's
also,
anywhere.
which is telling you a
Yeah.
notation of horizontal reinforcement.
Yes, horizontal reinforcement.
So now you now check the
So it's for
horizontal, start
horizontal.
from here, right,
That's yes
to
to
this place.
this place.
Okay,
Yes.
now you click on escape so that you won't have any mistake. Escape, then you know where you are going already. Click on your linear. So from this center to this
To
center,
that center.
we have 111 triple 157, right?
1157. Okay.
So we have
Wherever. What's the is it top up?
57
Is it top up?
is a top reinforcement which is continuous edge. You see?
That's 215.
Thank you. So that is 250. I
That's
know it,
44.6.
which
That would be
is
45. That's
uh
46.
thank you. That's 46. So please, I'm begging you, make sure you get your backup very soon. I will be having this kind of job. I'll just give it to you. We have
Yes.
46, then 47. Okay, our answer final is 46, right?
No, it's 46. Yes.
46, then we have this as 2, then 250 top. You see? You change this to
Yes,
your
top.
cap lock, then top. You
After
have this
letter
number
2.
2. Now you've done 2. You click on the third one also. The third one now you see where is it is is pointing
It's
here.
also horizontal.
So it's also horizontal, which is what? Which is your bottom reinforcement, and it is 200. So
Yes.
it's starting from here to this place. So you click on dimension, linear, from this center to this center we have 3917, which is 3918. Did you get it?
Okay, 3918
All right,
divided by 200.
thank you.
That's 20.
3918 divided by 200. So we have
That's 20. That's 21.
that's 21. All right. So we have this has to be 21, 21 3, then 200. Changes to 200 bottom.
200.
You have to be
Yes.
very, very careful at every line that you are pointing at. You check the third one, the fourth one. You see, it's a vertical one, but it's from here. You see what we have here, from this point to this point.
Is that not for this
It's a
one?
top reinforcement,
Okay.
continuous edge.
Is it not for the continuous edge?
Yeah, you see, it's a continuous edge. You check here.
Continuous edge.
That's
That's
divided by
top.
250. You
Top.
see, 5625.
That's,
Five
that's
six
5625.
two five.
I thought we've done something like that. 5625.
But that one is
The answer is
200.
29.
That one you are dividing it
Okay,
by
this one.
200. This one is 250.
Okay.
Thank you. I
Yes.
can see you are kind of forward, which is very nice because if they are of the same dimension and the same spacing, you don't need to, you don't need to divide
Do it
again.
again.
You just have to
Yes.
just use the same value. That's very,
That would be 24.
that's 2024. Thank you. That's fine. That's 24. So you can just check here. You change this to 24. Then so your 20. This one is before. Then this one be
4
250 top.
is
Don't
top.
forget continuous edge is top. You understand? So
Yeah.
now what you
Yes,
ask
sir.
me now, I will now do it here. You click on the next one, and you see the next one is the same as this one. It starts from this place, it ends at this place. Both are bottom reinforcement and they are all the same dimension of spacing, which is 29,200. Do you get me?
Yes.
You see, where it start from? They are the same.
Yes.
Hmm? So you come here again, click on here, then edit out. Then we have 2905 200 bottom. So are you good?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's continue. I might be kind of.
The next one. I'm not picking the next one.
Oh, I just want to check the dimension already. Sorry. So you see, this is the next one. It's pointing at. You see.
Okay, that's the next one.
So start from here to this place. So you check the dimension from this point to this point. We have 2570, and it's a bottom reinforcement which is
570.
divided by 200. 2570
200.
divided by 200.
That's 13. That's 14.
All right.
I'll be telling you.
Oh, that's fine. You get more, you understand more if you are
That's
doing.
14
Yeah,
because it's 12.85.
yeah, thank you. So you get more if you are doing more jobs. So that is why if you can start with writing of numbers for me, you see many jobs to do, and at least you'll be seeing different layouts, different NGA. So now check this out now. You click on
Yeah.
this now, you come down,
Yes.
you see it start from here to this point. There is a
The
void
next
here.
one.
So now what I'll do is that just this dimension divided by 200, don't forget, to this point. So I
Yes.
have I have 13. What do I have? Divided by 200. 13 divided by 200.
It's okay. Add position back on.
13 divided by 200. I don't want to do it. Are you with me?
Yes. 6.5. That's 7 plus 1. That's 8.
Thank you. That's 08, then 7, then 200
Then
bottom.
200.
200 bottom. If you are using 200, that means bottom because they are bottom reinforcement.
Bottom,
Then
yes.
250 is top reinforcement. Then check the next one. What do
The
we have
next
there?
one.
Next one is the top reinforcement, which is the
It's
same
like
as this,
it's the same as yes.
as 24. So I just have to
Yes.
come again, then 24 250
Copy.
top, then 24, then Y12,
8.
8, then 250 top. Do you get it now?
Yes.
All right, I click on this. When I click on this, I see is a top reinforcement and is an horizontal reinforcement, which is this one. And when you can see we've done something like that before, which is this one. They are this.
Okay, this is the cover.
You can
Okay,
see it start from
yes.
here, it ends here. And if I zoom it
Add
out,
to this.
if I zoom it out for you, you see this line and this line are the same. Do you see?
Okay, and we've done it before,
Yeah, I've
yes.
done before. So you have to be very, very, at least that will save your time, by dividing and all of
Is
that.
that not 40?
That's
Uh-uh.
46. That's
Yes,
46 top.
46.
You just come again, put it there, then 46 top. That's 46. Sorry,
Are you also 46?
49, 250 top. Then,
Oh, God.
even though there is light, don't forget to write, Control S. That's very, very important. Anything can happen. You
Yeah.
don't trust electronics. So now,
Yes. Ah, it used to happen to me a lot.
then you have to be careful.
I'll
So now,
not do it again.
we have here now, this one that I click on, you see, and MTN
Is
is so
this down
crazy,
part?
man. You know what we'll do? If I'm to if I you know if I'm to switch, this MTN is just wayward. Seriously.
The network, Abi.
Even the way the data is draining is just wayward. I want to
Ah, Eta is worse.
you know no, it's even MTN. It's just crazy. It's just draining, anyhow. But
For
don't
that
worry.
time, talk.
How about you?
Should we switch to WhatsApp?
Eh?
Should we switch to WhatsApp?
How are you going to see that?
I'll see. Oh,
You won't be we are
now
using
I
Google Meet
get.
now. And this is very even easy for us
Yes.
because you are seeing my screen straight. It's easy
Yes.
for us like this.
Oh,
You know what I will do is that let's stop it here and let's do WhatsApp video call. Maybe I can place my phone. Maybe you can be seeing my screen. What do you think?
okay. Okay.
Okay,
That's better.
okay, let's
Because
do it.
I want to be here.
Okay, you know what? Because because this is going to be a lot of data. We are we are also doing video.
Yes.
We are also doing video recording. Then I have to share you this video also. This is
Oh.
38 minutes already. Then thank you for your time, Becky, and let me stop.